Hi everyone, welcome to Hong Kong Cookery. I'm Asiu. Today, I'm delighted to share with you a nutritious Chinese dish, tomato, beef, and eggs. It's a kid-friendly favorite. Remember to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, drop your comments, and share it with your friends. Your support keeps us going, inspiring us to bring you more delightful recipes. Thank you all for being here. Now, let's dive into the marination for our minced beef. The ingredients are right there on your screen. Ready? Let's begin. Start with 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Add half a teaspoon of sugar. Now, we've got 3 tablespoons of water. Mix half of it with cornstarch until it forms a smooth consistency. Once mixed, pour it over the beef and stir thoroughly. Let the beef absorb the moisture until it reaches this perfect texture. Now, add the remaining water and stir until absorbed. Enhance the tenderness with a dash of oil. Stir it in and set it aside for later use. Next up, the ingredients for tomato, beef, and eggs, along with the seasoning, are displayed on your screen. Ready? Let's get cooking! For the tomatoes, we chose smaller ones this time, preparing 6 of them. Make a cross at the bottom of each tomato to make peeling easier. So, we steam the tomatoes briefly. The peeled tomatoes acquire a smoother texture, making them perfect for kids. Steam them for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, crack 5 eggs. Eggs, rich in choline, contribute to kids' brain development. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of white pepper. Stir the eggs. Then add a bit of oil and stir thoroughly. Now, let's fry the eggs. We need to add additional oil for frying the eggs. Pour the beaten eggs into the pan. As the eggs begin to set, carefully push them around. Gently slide the partially cooked eggs. When they're about 70 to 80% cooked, turn off the heat to avoid overcooking. Set the eggs aside for a moment. While waiting, let's peel the steamed tomatoes. The skin comes off easily, thanks to the 5-minute steam. After peeling, slice and chop the tomatoes finely. Remove the stems for a smoother texture. Next, finely chop all the ingredients. Continue chopping until you achieve this desired consistency. The pan used for the eggs doesn't need washing. Just add some oil to it and heat it up. Now, add 160 grams of marinated beef. Spread it out and stir until well cooked. Beef, rich in calcium and iron, is fantastic for kids' bone development and immune system. Cook until the beef changes color. Then remove it from the pan. In the same pan, add some oil and fry the white part of the green onions. When the aroma fills the air, it's time to add the tomato puree. Fry it until fragrant. Tomatoes, rich in lycopene and vitamin C, complement the beef perfectly. Now, let's add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Stir well. Add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, followed by 3 tablespoons of water. Stir until combined. Cover the pan and simmer on medium-low heat for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, open the lid, stir once more, and simmer until it reaches the desired consistency. Now, add the cooked beef and eggs. Use a spatula to break apart the eggs and stir until well mixed. Finally, add chopped green onions and gently mix. Turn off the heat, and it's ready to be served. See how appetizing it looks? Just looking at it makes you hungry. My little one loves this dish, especially with rice. It pairs well with noodles too. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye.